In this video, let me show you how to do the averages and the uncertainty. So the average is just the average, right? So we're going to say equals, so you have to type equals, right? Average, left parenthesis, and then just grab these guys. So I'm dragging across these, right parenthesis. And then it will, if it suggests to autofill, go ahead and do that. If it doesn't, just click on that cell you just defined, grab that handle in the lower right corner, and that'll average all of those, right? And then our temperature, I'm just going to leave it there. We didn't really read the temperature, so I don't know the precision of this. I don't know that we actually are justified in having a decimal point, though. Should I get rid of that? I'm not going to worry about that. All right, and then for the uncertainty is going to be the maximum of these minus the minimum of these divided by 2. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, equals left parenthesis, that's going to be max minus min, right? So left parenthesis, max, left parenthesis of these guys, right parenthesis. So that'll find the maximum of that range, right? Minus the min. This should be a function. I think there's probably some function I don't know about. So the minimum of this same range. Okay, and then I'm going to do another right parenthesis. Notice it highlights that, right? So that's max minus min, and then I'm going to say divided by 2. And then it's going to suggest an autofill, and sure enough, let's do that. Okay. Now, if it didn't do the autofill, if the autofill didn't happen for you, then again, just click on the cell. It'll be here, right? Click on the cell you just defined. Grab that little handle, pull it down. Now notice that these uncertainties don't really seem to have a trend. They just sort of bubble around. If this were an IA, we would actually try to put an error bar on that's a different size for each of our points. Okay, but that is not easy with Google Sheets yet. It's easy with Excel, but it's not yet, as I make this video, it is not a feature yet that is in Google Sheets. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I have no idea whether this is justified or not, I just feel like doing it, is let's average these guys, okay? So equals the average of these guys. Let's just average them, see what happens. So 30.3, we'll just use that as sort of the average uncertainty, okay? Average uncertainty. Oops. That didn't work. All right, we'll just do that. Okay, so the average uncertainty for this guy is 30.3, and that's kilopascals, right? Notice how I put pressures in kilopascals so that this will be a properly labeled data table. All right, that's that. That's all I need to show you with this video.